Welcome to the official Biktrix assembly guide. In this video, we're going to show you the step-by-step Swift Lite Step-Thru 3 assembly process so you can get your new electric bicycle out of the box and onto the road. Start by opening the eBike's box and lifting the Swift Lite 3 frame up and out. Carefully remove all protective foam packaging and zip ties from the Step-Thru frame. Let's begin by installing the handlebars. Using a 5mm Allen key, remove the steerer tube top cap bolt, top cap, and plastic protector. You'll need that bolt in just a moment. Now grab the Swift Lite handlebars and slide the integrated stem onto the fork steerer tube. Reinstall the steerer tube top cap bolt into the stem hole and tighten with the 5mm Allen key. To find your preferred riding position, you can adjust the stem angle for a more comfortable upright fit. Once the angle is set, secure the 6mm adjustment bolt. Finally, tighten the two pinch bolts at the base of the stem using a 4mm Allen key. Ensure the handlebars turn in sync with the front fork and have zero play. Insert the rubber stem cap to finish the assembly of the cockpit.
Now, let's move to the front wheel assembly. Remove any plastic hub protectors and locate the front quick-release skewer, usually attached to the front wheel. If the skewer isn't there, check your parts box. Remove the threaded end nut and one conical spring from the quick release. Slide the skewer into the front wheel hub, ensuring the cam lever is on the same side as the disc brake rotor. Reinstall the spring, narrow side pointing in, and the end nut, turning it 2 to 3 times. Remove the plastic spacers from the fork dropouts and the mechanical brake caliper. Lift the front of the e-bike and align the fork dropouts with the quick release skewer. Carefully guide the brake rotor into the brake caliper and lower the fork onto the front wheel. Tighten the quick release skewer by rotating the cam lever clockwise. You should feel firm resistance when the lever is halfway closed. Your front wheel is now secure. You can now deploy the kickstand for the remainder of the build. Next, we'll install the headlight and front fender. If the LED headlight is tethered to the front cable, remove it. Use your 5mm Allen key and 10mm wrench to remove the lock nut, bolt, and washers from the front fork arch. Position the headlight bracket against the front of the fork arch and secure it with the bolt and one washer. On the back side of the fork arch, attach the front fender tab and secure the entire assembly with the remaining washer and lock nut. To stabilize the fender, remove the 4mm bolts from the lower fork legs. Align the fender stay loops with the threaded holes and tighten the bolts. Once everything is aligned and the fender isn't rubbing the tire, fully torque the headlight mounting hardware.
Finally, let's install the pedals. Locate the pedals in your kit. They are stamped with L for left and R for right to match the crank arms. We recommend that you apply a small amount of bicycle grease to the pedal threads to prevent seizing. Thread the right side pedal into the crank arm clockwise. Thread the left side pedal into the crank arm counterclockwise. Tighten both securely with a wrench. Your pedals are on, and your Biktrix Swift Lite 3 is officially assembled. Before your first ride, ensure your battery is fully charged and check your tire pressure. Enjoy the ride on your new Biktrix electric bike.